How to replace the front tooth? Many options. Mini implants we're doing a lot of these are a wonderful option. So with a mini implant procedure that allows us in 2 visits to place a mini implant. And so what we do is we place a mini implant in the bone. That's done in about 45 minutes. You walk out with a real tooth, temporary tooth. We send it to the laboratory. 2 weeks later, the laboratory sends us a tooth that looks just like your other teeth. Snap it in place, we glue it in place, you smile, bang. No more flippers, no more missing tooth. And like I said, the mini implant procedure is very non-invasive. You go right through the tissue. We do a comprehensive exam, we take an x-ray to tell exactly where the bone is. These are wonderful procedures. It allows us to do something that 25, 30 years ago we couldn't do.